Before you change the user interface, please note the following. You can reset the user interface from the Start menu at any time. Of course, you can export the settings, or you can import them. A new workspace can be created in the Quick Actions toolbar. But then you can only save the current interface. Some settings are available in the Workspace Settings panel. But a workspace that has already been created can only be deleted in the Customize User Interface panel. If you delete the current workspace, you will see an empty ribbon and the Quick toolbar will become invisible. Don't worry, you can switch to another workspace in the Application menu. If it is not visible, you can access it from the Hamburger menu regardless of the current workspace. And then let's get started. Create a new workspace in the Customize Interface panel. If we now switch to this workspace, we will be greeted by a blank ribbon. Return to the CUI and fill the ribbon with content. Create a new tab. Then a new panel. Select the commands you want to see in this panel. We can place this in the panel using copy-paste. Or you can drop it. The first row is already visible in the panel preview. The order can be changed as you like. You can also create a new row. I created the second line below the slide out. This can be easily corrected. But then create a row in the slide out as well. When the panel is finished, copy it onto a clipboard. Then paste it onto the panel. Finally, select your own workspace and right-click to select Customize. You will then get a list of panels, from which you can select the ones you want to see on the ribbon. You can choose your own panel, but you can also add any standard one. If you now switch to your own workspace, you will see the 3 tabs that you have clicked on, including your own panel. And the custom panel looks like we edited it, 2 rows at the top and in 1 row on the slide out. This can be changed at any time in the CUI. Thanks for watching.